lot. Really disappointing. What do you say?
My family is horrible. I live here 32,000 ago. However, it's the first time we remain some cake. So I was excited about here because there's some prices and reviews on the I mean, the question is so nice. So I was too excited. However, too boring to try. And then started just so plain rest bread out. Well, I don't like it.
This is how much we have remaining, and Besito ate most of it. We're now leaving the cafe. Besito, what do you want to say?
시발. 맛없어. 맛없다고.
Sourdough with cheese, maybe. Chocolate scone and choco pie. Today I am wearing this posture correcting thing. So yes, just came home, had some dinner, watched some YouTube, relaxed, and I am here with Gomi. Gomita. So, bye. Just wanted to show you guys this post-lunch things. Weekly vlog.
Hey.
Picked up Besito in
Hi,
Starbucks
everyone.
because Besito didn't work today. What are you eating today?
오빠, I'm eating the pasta made by my wife, and then too many side dishes, and with rice is so yummy.
I'm all done with my classes for today. Now I have to wait until 8 p.m. till I can get off work. It is a little bit past 6:30, so super excited to go home.
You're making me breaking my body.
Wait, where are we? Where are we, Besito?
몰라, 집에 가서 통닭 먹을래. Usually I go Is that your bucket list? You're gonna die.
No.
My dear, can I have one thing, please?
Yes.
I'm okay. 뭘 봐있어?
이번 주 주말까지.
what are you doing?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I know there's no such thing as a perfect movie hover. You know that it's really bad. 아빠가 많이 자를 거야 나.
Fun. Ten out of 10. forgot to show you all my coffee. I put it in the fridge after lunch because I brushed my teeth and it wouldn't taste good. This is a condensed milk cold brew latte from Pike's Coffee or Bektabang. And look at these. It is a bit past 8 p.m. and Besito surprised me at work today. After work, he came to me surprisingly because he didn't go to work today.
I died.
Why didn't you go to work?
I feel like someone skipped my time. By an hour.
He was late by 1 hour to the bus stop.
I'm still late.
This is our dinner today. Today's dinner is jjajangmyeon with mandu.
Looks yummy.
Oh, thank you. I think it looks really delicious. Okay, we eat. Thank you. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. All complete. They're all tangled up. For your puppy. Puppuccino. Whoa. Do you guys want a puppuccino? It's closed. It's closed. Mommy, don't cry. 아이고. 만져. Guys, I just bought this bread from Paris Baguette. It's like fall edition maple honey, maple walnut roll. It looks really delicious and I'm so excited. What did you say about me?
공주가 똥 쌌어요 오늘.
Besito came to me after my working in Yongsan. My dear, you looks cool. This backdrop is really nice.
I hear some having some holiday.
Yongsan Station.
Because they're too lazy. We don't want
This
to go
building's
to Seoul
too
Station.
big, too tall. Let's search for a coffee shop so we can go study.
However, my wife said we found it. However, it was like
Wow, gorgeous.
and it's
Whoa.
real bad, by the way.
Maybe it's really pretty. I told you, we used to live near here. I was looking at a coffee shop to go study at, and the one that we're going to made us go through this line part.
I know here.
Yeah, we used to live near here, so But it was winter time, so it was never this green.
Oh, here's Wolf.
Yeah. Gorgeous. Besito, we arrived to our coffee store. We ended up coming to Sinchon because the other cafe was really small and there was no space, and we were walking around for maybe an hour trying to find somewhere to study, but there was nowhere. But anyways, this is what I got. An Oreo waffle. And Besito, what did you get? Vanilla latte.
It's yummy.
And I got this excellent latte. And that's an ice cream block. Vanilla latte rating.
It's real ice cream.
1 to 10.
8.5.
Eh?
8.5.
Oh, not bad. This in here. I don't know if I'm supposed to mix the ice cream or eat it. Huh? Am I supposed to mix the ice cream or eat it? What happened to our cafe? What happened to our cafe? No, suddenly they turned it. I think so. Suddenly they turned off all the lights. And they turn on these really bright neon ones. I think Besito fell in love with the guy who's busking.
거기 있어줘서 그게 너라서 가끔 내 어깨에 가만히 기대주어서 couldn't make things new just by saying I love you.
Today's dinner setup, ramen with a lot of random stuff, tteok, mandu, and egg. And I made some meat, our side dishes, rice, and the Zero Coke from Lotte-Mart. And we will be watching this movie.
나는 있잖아 정말 빈틈없이 행복해 너를 따라서 시간은 흐르고 멈춰 물끄러미 너를 들여다보구나 그것 말고는 아무것도 할 수 없어서 너의 모든 순간 그게 나였으면 좋겠다 생각만 해도 가슴이 차올라가는 온통 너로